Hi, in this question, we are told that Joyce uses 324 1 centimeter cubes to make a cuboid. The perimeter of the top of the cuboid is 18 centimeter. Each side of the cuboid is longer than 2 centimeter. Find the height of the cuboid. Okay, so let's draw this first. So we have 324 1 centimeter cubes. Okay, and these small cubes, okay, each dimension is 1 centimeter. They are used to create a bigger cuboid. Okay, so let's draw this over here. Now for this bigger cuboid, let's label the different sides first. So your x, y, and z. Okay, we are told that the perimeter of the top of the cuboid is 18 centimeters. So this perimeter here is 18 centimeter, and each side of the cuboid is longer than 2 centimeter. Find the height of the cuboid. Now the perimeter is basically this top part over here, and is given as 18 centimeters. So we can write an expression for the perimeter that 2x plus 2y is equals to 18, correct? Because here you have x, and y. Alright, so the perimeter is 2x plus 2y. So factorizing out the 2, you have x plus y equals to 9. Okay, so that is the expression that we now have that relates the two parameters x and y. So if x plus y equals to 9, and we are also told that each side of the cuboid is longer than 2 centimeter. So what are the possible values of x and y? Okay, so if x is 3, so let's look at x and y over here. So if x is 3, then y has to be 6, because that will give us 9. Or the other option is x is 4 and y is 5. That will also give us 9. Alright, if I increase x to become 5, then y becomes 4. That is the same as this example here. So these are the two possible values for x and y. Now what is the other information that we have? We are told that since we are using 324 1 centimeter cube, so the volume of each 1 centimeter cube is 1 cm cube. Correct? So the volume of each cube is 1 cm cube. And the volume of this entire cuboid, since it's made out of 324 such cubes, the total volume is also going to be 324 cm cube. Okay? So the volume is given by x, y, z. X times y times z. And that is going to be 324. So the unknown parameter now, we still do not know x and y yet, but what we know is z is 324 divided by x, y. Okay, so now what we can do is we can take the two possible combinations of x and y and see what happens. Okay, so if we take the combination of this first combination here, so if x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 6, so z is equals to 324 divided by 3 times 6, which is 324 divided by 18, and that gives me 18. Okay, if I take the other combination here, z will be equals to 324 divided by 4 times 5, which is 324 divided by 20, and that will give me 16.2. Okay, so since we know that each cube is having a fixed dimension of 1, having any dimension x, y, or z with a decimal point cannot be a possible answer. So this is rejected. Okay, so the correct value for z would be 18. Okay, so if z is confirmed to be 18, then we can also say that x equals to 3 and y is equals to 6. Okay, so the answer in this for this question here is that z is equals to 18. That is the final answer here. Okay, so I hope you understand how to solve such questions using this technique that I've shown you here. Thank you. Bye.